Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a un nuevo video de Adri Belleza. Espero como siempre que hayan tenido una excelente semana y me alegra mucho como siempre volverles a traer un videito nuevo para ustedes. Bueno chicas, en el día de hoy les traigo un maquillaje en Glow Pink, espero que les guste. Es un maquillaje como para el día, viene siendo en tono rosa pero muy sutil. Así que si te gustó este maquillaje te invito a que veas el video de hoy.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I feel so alive. I've never felt this way before. It must be you and I. It's got me thinking about us more. It's these bright lights that put me in a daze, and I can't stop but think about the way that you move around, up and down on that stage. It's your future vibes. Bright lights, they put me in a trance, so I feel like I can do it all. It's a good life that I really want. It's those future vibes. I heard that they want. I heard the future that they want. I got the future vibes.